Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas centerpieces. Looks so attractive. As you know that without decorations, Merry Christmas so incomplete. So I collect beautiful ideas of my viewers. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these collections. 50 plus unique ideas that recreate and transfer your beautiful house, beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpieces, designs for my viewers, beautiful ideas and beautiful creativity. Fresh ideas for fresh years and the designs of will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I give more idea about the designs of your Merry Christmas. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas. How to recreate and transfer your house with the beautiful houses on Merry Christmas 2025. All the centerpieces are look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. All the designs are very unique and trending. All our modern way to celebrate your festival 2025. All the designs and all the centerpieces look so attractive and so stylish. And how to decorate your table with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful design. I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question about my YouTube video, then please visit my channel. Then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Thank you so much everyone.